Well, what was behind your decision to join Kaiser Permanente?
I have been a long admirer of Kaiser Permanente for years. I I experienced being in an HMO or a managed care plan early in my career and never forgot the experience, and I liked it. And so I'd always admired Kaiser Permanente, and really had wondered how I could work for them at some point in my career. But Kaiser Permanente, I thought was only on the West Coast, and I'd always worked in either the East Coast or the Midwest. That's where my family or that's where I'm from. Although, as you know, I'm not afraid to move. I just never had the opportunity to work on the West Coast, and so after my last hospital job, a health system job, I was going to take some time off. I had worked, my husband had passed away unexpectedly during that time, and I had tried to work my way through it, and that didn't work that well, as most people know who've been through grieving and grief. And so after after we decided to sell several of the hospitals in this system, then I just made a decision that I was going to take some time off. And so I got a call from a recruiter that said Kaiser Permanente wanted to talk to me about a role. One thing led to another. And, I was quite flattered and surprised to hear from Kaiser Permanente. It's a great system. And I said I would talk to them, at least have a conversation. And through that conversation and several other conversations, I ended up coming to work for Kaiser Permanente. And I admired the system before I joined. I admired even more after I've joined.